Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated drones of the year. And with each passing day, rumors and leaks continue to surface, fueling excitement among drone enthusiasts worldwide. As DJI's latest addition to the Mini series, this drone is expected to push the boundaries of compact aerial technology, offering enhanced features while maintaining its lightweight and portable form. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the most likely specifications, technological advancements, and potential pricing of the Mini 5 Pro, analyzing how it may redefine the standards for mini drones. Maintaining the Mini identity. One of the most critical aspects of the Mini 5 Pro's design is that it must adhere to the sub-250g weight category. This classification is crucial for regulatory reasons, allowing pilots to operate the drone without additional licensing in many regions. While DJI will introduce upgrades, they must ensure that the drone remains within this weight limit, meaning structural changes will be minimal. Based on a recently leaked image from a highly reliable source, the Mini 5 Pro will resemble the Mini 4 Pro in shape and size, with only subtle design modifications. Leaked image analysis and LiDAR sensor upgrade. The leaked image reveals two prominent black spots on the front of the drone, which are likely LiDAR sensors. Unlike previous DJI drones that embedded multiple sensors within a single housing, these sensors appear separately placed. This design choice may have been implemented to maintain the drone's lightweight build while still accommodating the advanced technology. LiDAR technology is a significant leap for the Mini series, as it provides superior obstacle avoidance capabilities. Unlike traditional vision-based obstacle sensors, LiDAR functions effectively in low light and complex environments, allowing the drone to detect obstacles with greater accuracy. This would be a major advantage for night flights and indoor navigation. Additionally, with the success of advanced AI algorithms in recent DJI models like the Air 3S and DJI Flip, the Mini 5 Pro might incorporate AI-assisted obstacle avoidance and tracking, further refining its autonomous capabilities. Autonomous return to home and GPS-free navigation. A significant advancement that could be introduced in the Mini 5 Pro is autonomous return-to-home flights without GPS dependency. This feature, seen in the Air 3S, allows the drone to navigate complex terrains using AI and LiDAR, ensuring it returns safely to its launch point even when GPS signals are weak or unavailable. Given the Mini 5 Pro's compact size, it may even surpass the Air 3S in maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating tight spaces. Enhanced camera and imaging capabilities. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera. By comparing the leaked image with the Mini 4 Pro, it appears that the camera module is slightly larger, hinting at the possibility of an upgraded sensor. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts a 1/1.3-inch sensor with 48MP resolution, capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second. However, the Mini 5 Pro could take this a step further with a 1-inch sensor with improved low-light performance, a 50MP resolution for ultra-sharp photos, the ability to record 4K at 120 frames per second, allowing for breathtaking slow-motion footage. If these upgrades are implemented, the Mini 5 Pro would become the first compact DJI drone with such high frame rate capabilities, making it a game-changer for content creators and filmmakers. True vertical shooting. While DJI's Flip and Air 3S models also support vertical shooting, they achieve this by cropping the image, reducing the final resolution to 2.7K. If the Mini 5 Pro includes a fully rotatable camera gimbal, it could capture true 4K vertical footage without any cropping, preserving full image quality for social media content creation. Structural and design changes. The leaked image also suggests a change in gimbal mount positioning. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, where the gimbal was protected by a side-mounted structure, the Mini 5 Pro's camera appears to be mounted directly on top, making it more exposed. While this could improve stability and tilt control, it may also make the camera more vulnerable to damage in the event of a crash. Another noticeable change is the motor size and design. The motors appear larger with visible ventilation slits, indicating increased power and improved cooling efficiency. More powerful motors would enhance stability in windy conditions and improve the drone's overall flight performance. Extended flight time and battery upgrades. Battery life is a crucial factor for any drone, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to see improvements in this area. The Mini 4 Pro already offers two battery options. Standard battery, 34 minutes of flight time. Plus battery, 45 minutes of flight time. For the Mini 5 Pro, it is anticipated that The standard battery will now provide up to 45 minutes. A new Plus battery could extend flight time beyond 50 minutes. If these upgrades materialize, the Mini 5 Pro would offer one of the longest flight durations in its category, further enhancing its portability and usability. Upgraded transmission system and range. The Mini 4 Pro already utilizes DJI's O4 transmission system, providing a range of up to 20 kilometers. However, a recent leak suggests that the upcoming Mavic 4 will debut with an O4 Plus transmission system, potentially extending the range to an unprecedented 40 kilometers. If DJI decides to implement this technology in the Mini 5 Pro, we could see a range increase to 25 to 30 kilometers, ensuring an even more robust signal over long distances. Increased internal storage and audio recording. DJI has consistently increased onboard storage across its latest models. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature 32 GB of internal storage, placing it between the 22 GB of the DJI Neo and the 42 GB of the Air 3S. Another exciting possibility is a built-in audio recording, similar to the DJI Neo. This feature would allow pilots to record voice notes via the DJI Fly app, making in-flight narration and post-production editing much easier. Smart features and controller compatibility. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to support advanced flight modes, including voice command integration, allowing hands-free operation, gesture-based controls, making it more user-friendly, AI-powered subject tracking for dynamic video capture. In terms of controllers, the Mini 5 Pro should be compatible with the latest DJI options, including RC2, RCN3, and motion controllers. DJI Goggles 3 and N3 for an immersive FPV experience. The rumored RC Track, a compact controller with GPS tracking capabilities and a 2 km maximum range. Expected pricing and release date. Given DJI's pricing history, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be positioned between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S. Base model, $850. Fly More Combo, $1,200. These estimates exclude taxes and regional price variations. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary compact drone, offering cutting-edge technology in a lightweight package. From LiDAR obstacle avoidance to 4K 120 frames per second recording, extended battery life, and improved AI-driven autonomous flight, this drone could redefine what a sub-250G drone is capable of. Are there any features you'd like to see in the Mini 5 Pro? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone.